How to get NFL Sunday Ticket gift card. You can check the availability of NFL Sunday Ticket gift cards on sites like Official Gift Cards. As of now, NFL Sunday Ticket does not sell physical or digital gift cards directly, but you can still give someone NFL Sunday Ticket access through Google Play Store, App Store, YouTube gift cards, or streaming service gift cards depending on how they subscribe. If you have a YouTube gift card, then you can buy YouTube gift cards as NFL Sunday Ticket is sold through YouTube or YouTube TV. These are available at retail stores, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, etc., or online like Amazon, YouTube's official site, or Google Play Store. The recipients redeems in their Google account, but the funds can be used toward NFL Sunday Ticket purchase. Or you can even watch the NFL Shop, which is the official site. Here you can also purchase different kind of gift cards. On this website, you can directly search for gift cards and also purchase them. So that's all for today. Thank you.